So if you have no experience and you're trying to come into this field and you have an associate's degree, what I would do, this is what I would do, okay? I would look to get some kind of IT field tech / help desk type experience. That's what I would do. It's your best bet to get your foot in the door. Right now, what you want to do is get your foot in the door. So there's a couple of industries that lend themselves to hiring people with no experience that just know IT, right? That's where you're at right now. You know IT, you have an associate's, you have the knowledge of it right now, but you want to get your foot in the door, right? Number one, projects. Do projects on your own. Building computers, tearing them apart, putting together networks, putting together wireless networks, hacking wireless networks, all that kind of stuff. But there's a few different organizations in your local area that guarantee you hiring right now. Nobody want to do those jobs. Being a cable guy. If you live in North America, there's a bunch of different gigantic cable internet companies that are always hiring people to lay cable or to plug in internet for people, cable and internet for people. They're called field techs, right? IT field techs or just field techs. They're not called cable guys, but that's just, they have to know a little bit of networking. They have to understand a little bit about IP addresses, a little bit about coax. They might have to know coax cable, not coax cable, but like Cat 6, Cat 5. They have to know how to connect somebody to the internet, and they actually have to go to training for that. They don't get the highest pay, but it's a great way to get your foot in the door, and actually it's a great entryway into network engineering. So that's one organization that hires quite a bit. What other organizations? Look locally for IT field tech type positions where you're going around fixing internet, fixing computers, stuff like that. If you happen to be in your university, sometimes they have a working student program. That's another thing you can do. I don't know how well they pay, or sometimes they don't pay. But the thing is, if you can get into that position and start working on those, you can put that on your resume and on your profile, and that might help you to get the whole thing. For me, has been about steps, baby steps. You're going to start off. You start off here and then go to the next step. And then from there, go to the next step. And that's all I've been doing for years and years and years. I started off as a physical security guard. I was a security guard in the Air Force. And now I'm a cloud security guy, which is crazy. Okay. Let me see here. I learned how to patch network closets in a hospital. That's what I'm talking about. And talk to people like this who actually have experience. This guy right here is who you want to talk to. I would message this dude directly who just said this. He said, I learned how to patch network closets in a hospital, right? That's what I'm talking about. This guy right here is what I'm talking about. Let me see. Just finished my bachelor's degree in cybersecurity. Man, congratulations, man. You're on a great path. I've been doing cybersecurity for many years. I've been able to travel the world with it. It's really taken care of me. You know, it's allowed me to feed a couple generations of people. So cybersecurity is being real good to me. I think it's going to continue to be good to many other people too. Somebody said, I have an IT degree from IU, have 5 years experience, want to get a Security Plus, please help. Security Plus, Larry, is there some place that you're learning your Security Plus? What are you using for security? I know for me, I did this a long time ago, so I don't know how relevant I used to teach Security Plus. I was 100% down Security Plus. I used to teach it, and what I used to teach and to pass it was books. I would just buy a book, and then I would just read through the book, take notes, and then I would study my notes. That's it. Flashcards, basically. Like somebody blasted me in my own video. Said, "Oh, bro he's talking about flashcards." Yeah, whatever. Right. That's what I did, and it worked. So, but Larry,